Let's look at Chapter 14, Lesson 3 Review. Looking at this, we're going to use the histogram to figure out problems 1 through 5. I know that it's going to be time spent on homework for the title, number of students on the y-axis, and number of minutes they spent on the x-axis. Number 1, how many students did more than 40 minutes of homework? So I know that I need to count everything over 40 minutes, so I'm going to count everything to the right of the purple. And I can see that this is going to be 9, and I can see that 61 to 80 is going to be 6. So in total, that would be 15 students. Number 2, how many more students did between 21 and 40 minutes than between 0 and 20? So I need to find the difference. I know that this is going to be 5 students and this is 3 students, so the difference between that would be 2 students. How many students are included in the graph's data? So I would add up 3 plus 5 plus 9 plus 6. I know that 3 plus 5 is 8, and I know that plus 9 more is going to be 17, plus 6 more is going to be 23 students. How many students did 1 hour or less of homework? Well, I know that I would need to include everything that's to the left of this purple line. So I have 9, 5, and 3, and I know that's going to be 17 students. Did more students do less than 41 minutes or more than 1 hour of homework? How many more students? So looking at that, I need to look at the 41 minutes or more than 1 hour of homework. So keep in mind it's less than that. I know that 8 students did less than 41 minutes, and I know that 6 students did more than an hour. So I know that the difference is going to be 2 students, and I know that they worked less than 41 minutes. Moving on to problem solving. The shirt shop has 125 shirts left after a busy Saturday. They sold to 48 customers. Of those customers, 29 bought 1 shirt, 12 bought 2 shirts, and the rest bought 3 shirts. How many shirts did the shirt shop begin the day with? Well, I know that they have 125 left, so I'm going to add that into my calculations. But then I also know that 29 people just bought 1 shirt, so I'm just going to add 29 more shirts. And then 12 people bought 2 shirts, so 12 times 2 is going to be 24 shirts. And then the rest bought 3 shirts. Well, I need to figure out what the rest is. So I'm going to take 48, since there's 48 customers, and I'm going to subtract 29 from there. And I'm going to come up with 19. Then I'm going to take 19 and subtract the 12 other customers, and I'm going to come up with 7. So I know that 7 people bought 3 shirts each. So I'm going to multiply that by 3, and I'm going to get 21 shirts. So I'm going to add that into our total as well. Using this, I'm going to add it all together. I know that 1 plus 4 is 5, and 5 plus 5 is 10, plus the 9 more is going to be 19. Carry the 1. 2, 4, 6, 8, plus 1 is going to be 9, and 1 in the hundreds column. So I have 199 shirts is how many they started the day with. Remember, you need to show all of your work and thinking.